everyone. I'm Anna, and welcome to Teacher Anna English Stories, the podcast where you learn English through fun, real-life stories and conversations.
And I'm Mark. Today's topic is super practical, shopping for food. We're going to the grocery store to practice real English conversation for beginners.
Exactly. You'll learn what to say when you go shopping, how to ask for prices, find products, and talk with the cashier.
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast. It really helps us grow and bring you more English lessons every week. Okay, ready to go shopping? Listen, learn, try.
Listen. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Learn. This is how you ask for something in a polite way. Try. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Good job.
Other examples? Where are the apples? Do you have any bread? I'm looking for rice.
Let's make it a mini dialogue. Excuse me, where are the eggs?
They're in aisle 4, next to the milk.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice and simple. Let's repeat the key words. Aisle, eggs, milk, bread, rice. Pause.
Now you want to ask about prices. Listen. How much is this? Try. How much is this? Pause.
Or, if there are many items, how much are these apples?
They're $2 per kilo.
You can also say, that's too expensive.
That's a good price. Do you have something cheaper?
Let's practice a dialogue. How much are these bananas?
They're $1.50 a kilo.
That's a good price. I'll take 2 kilos.
Great choice. Now, you try saying, I'll take plus your favorite food. Pause.
Good job. You're doing great.
Small talk makes shopping friendly. You can say, it's a nice day today. The store is busy. I love fresh vegetables.
Example. Anna. Hi, Mark. Are you shopping today?
Yes, I'm buying some vegetables. How about you? I'm getting milk and bread.
Nice. Let's repeat a few everyday phrases. I'm buying, I'm getting, I'm looking for. Pause. Keep practicing.
Now it's time to pay. Listen, I'd like to pay, please. Try. I'd like to pay, please.
The cashier might say, do you have a loyalty card? Would you like a bag? It's $10, please.
You can answer, yes, I do. No, thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's do a quick example. Mark, that's $10, please.
Anna, here you go. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Perfect. Repeat one more time. Pause.
You're doing amazing.
Let's mix it all with real-life phrases. I go shopping every Saturday. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I drink coffee every morning. I cook dinner every night.
Now add a future plan. Tomorrow, I'm going to the grocery store. I'll buy some bread and cheese.
Good. Repeat after us. I go shopping every week. I'm buying apples and rice.
Great job! Keep practicing.
Today, we learned real English for your grocery store trips, how to ask for items, prices, and talk politely at the cashier.
Let's review. Excuse me, where can I find? How much is this? I'll take. I'd like to pay, please. Have a nice day.
Now your turn. Fun question. What do you usually buy at the grocery store? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe to Teacher Anna English Stories for more English practice every week.
You're doing great. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling. See you next time. Bye.